Hi, my name is Akeirria Garvin. I am a quarter 2 LVN student here at Galen in Dallas. I think just even the transition from my first quarter to my second quarter, really getting those extra days in clinical and being able to work with sicker patients, I feel like I'm a lot more equipped with skills to be able to nurse in the real world. I think that my clinical instructors, I have been lucky to have super duper great instructors who are involved and who care about my education and who are giving me just as much as I give them every time that I go to clinical, so I'm really appreciative for that. A meaningful memory, again, would have to stem from clinical. Just the site that I'm at currently, I have created these amazing relationships with the patients and also with my clinical instructor who has been there every step of the way. And also I would like to shout out one of the faculty members, Ms. Robbins. She has been amazing from my first fundamentals class till now. She's our coordinator for our program. She's been great. She's constantly been a resource for me and I'm truly grateful for that, and it has definitely shaped my experience here at Galen.